everyone, welcome to my channel segment Ask Me and I'll try to answer. Our topic for today is how to delete spam or held for review comments. Here are the steps on how to delete spam or held for review comments. Number 1, go to your channel. Number 2, click Manage Videos. Number 3, on YouTube Studio, under the dashboard, select Comments. Number 4, on Channel Comments, press Held for Review. So there are two choices there, so just press Held for Review. So there are two accounts under this Held for Review. So they are a spam comment. Number 5, click the bin icon on every channel account under the Held for Review. Now let's check if the spam comments are deleted. So now it's empty under Held for Review. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.